Sanbanani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ge ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Today I want to respond to comments. Okay, the first comment was on amabai. Oyingane esithunywa. But you see yourself ubona amabai. What does it mean? Kuchaza ukuthini, should you buy lelo bayi or what? One thing I'll tell you is that uzoliboniswa leli bayi and lizoba like constant. Uthi noma ukhuleka ulibone noma ucimezile uvale amehlo. Mina I did buy one injet. Kodwa le injet it was just representing amakhehla. Bekungasiyo injethe ukuthi kumele ngiyithwale duku or ngiyibeke emahlombe or no, I just needed to have one. So now more bonisiwe ibhayi lokho livela kuyokusiza ukuthi ulithenge, kuyokusiza ukuthi ukhuleke or uphahle futhi mhlambe usho ukuthi naloko ulitholile. Kodwa mase ulitholile bayayiveza, bayakubonisa ukuthi bayajabula, bayathokoza ukuthi uliphethe. And I know when you get things sometimes ezifana nazamabhayi ziyaxaka ungazi ukuthi kumele uligqoke kanjani, mhlawumbe ulibeke emahlombe or ulifase on your waist. Abantu abafana njengami mina, I'm not supposed to put it on my waist, I'm not supposed to put it on my head or anywhere. It's something that I just need to have. That's all. Ukuthi nje ngiyibone ibe visible in my space. But ukuthi kube into engigcokayo cha abavumi ukuthi ngiyenze kanjalo ngiyigcoke. So to the person who's asked, yes, you can get it. And makuthiwa azogulisa vele if akusiyiwona la okumele ukuthi uwathole. And awasebenzisi ngendlela kumele ukuthi wasebenzise, because of sometimes maswathola you find that you are required to wear it wherever la uhamba khona. Khona abantu abahlezi bawagqokile amabhayi wabo, kodwa asifanani masingabantu. Iphiwo zethu, ingilosi zethu as require into eyifanayo kithina. So uma umuntu othandazayo kodwa usoboniswa amabhayi, ongasabi, ungathuki, continue to pray more and try get one, and then uboneke ukuthi bachazelani lenzi like limeleni ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yakho, because it's only after uqeda ukuyithola izinto bese uyachazela, uyacacisela ukuthi kungani usebenzisa lento oyisebenzisayo. I'm going to move on to another question. Someone in the comment section asked about praying while usembedeni ulele. Akhona malanga where you just tired and then you decide to pray within your heart. That's not a problem. You can pray. Ukhuleka. I'll just make an example about myself. I was having this dream, very disturbing dream. But azange ngibe naye into ukuthi ngisukume empedeni ngiladibane or ngisukume ngikhuleke ngibabaze ngenzeni. Kodwa because of I woke up, I had this thing ukuthi let me just pray. Ngaphathi enhlizweni ngakhuleka right, and then I was able to sleep afterwards. So kunezimo ezizo require ukuthi uguqe uthandaze. Yes, ungakwazi ukukhuleka ulele empedeni, but akumelanga ukuthi kube yinto ya every now and again. Let's say you are in this situation or in the season where you are fighting, so you'll be fighting people ulele empedeni wena lokho lubhizi khuleka usempedeni. You won't. Instead, you will wake up, you will kneel down, you will pray your heart out and ask God to protect you all the time. So there's really nothing wrong about ukukhuleka ulele, kodwa akungabi injwayelo kanye yesithunywa vula inhliziyo ukhuleke ngokweqiniso. And then there's a question also about tarot cards. With tarot cards, I've seen a lot of people on social media using tarot cards, but I won't say much about them because I don't even know how people use them. And there's someone who said, should I buy them or what? My advice is that pray about whatever that you are seeing in your dreams. If you are able to get them, get them. Because like I said, it's only when you get the things about bonuses on unazo, then the communication iyastart ukuthi kahle kahle lento uzoyisebenzisa kanjani uyaboniswa. It's like people abathola ikhali, people abathola iphika and all of those things. Uthi mawusigqokile ufile a certain way, mawuthandaza isikhali leso sisebenzisayo, everything is explained isikhathi masilokolo sihamba uambulelwa ezinye izinto. So with the tarot cards, I don't know them. I've seen them on social media, people using them. So pray on it, and then bese kyacaca. And another question was about beads. Mawumntana esithunywa uyawafaka yini ama beads? Well, siyahluka singabantwana besithunywa. Mina personally I'd say yes, ama beads ngiboniswe wona, kodwa lama khehle ngihamba nawo wona, they describe lawo ma beads as imvunulo. Kodwa enye into engaboniswa yona mina, into ekumele ngakumele ukuthi ngiye izintambo nje, intambo. Even with the people laba bengikwazi ukubasiza, amakhehla bawayihleza ngibonisa intambo. So kuthiwa yenzela umntana sekhaya intambo egreen uyikhulekise kanjena kanje. Intambo kwakuyinto nje mina engiyenzayo, kuyinto futhi engesayenza intambo. But when it comes to beads, you need to be shown beads, or you need to be given beads, or la ohamba khona your concerts abakutshele ukuthi you need to get certain type of beads. Nabo basuke babonisiwe ukuthi yimaphi ama beads ekumele ukuthi uwathole. Mawuyingane isithunywa sizophakama, isithunywa sizokubonisa ukuthi what is it exactly that you need to get. And ngiyazi ke ingilosi zifika as animals. Sometimes ususasaba mawumntana esithunywa, kodwa my advice is vula inhliziyo. You will be told ukuthi nawo lama beads ungawagqoka njengoba isithunywa sakho silokolo sikhuphuka, or kuba ama beads awakho nje uphiwe wona imvunulo yakho, or they are a form of protection. Because ama beads ayahluka. Kunabantu sizothi umuntu uhlutshwa izandla, kodwa athi lo muntu ngiphophile ngiboniswa ama beads are this color, awayenze awakhulekise awagqoke bese angasahlutshwa izandla. So abantu la ngaphandle abafaka ama beads akusukuthi bafaka ama beads because of bonke mhlambe isiphiwo sabo requires them that. Some of the beads are a form of like protection, afana nazo intambo. Thola abantu abafaka intambo ezandleni, there's a reason behind lezo intambo lezo, kuyimfihlo. You won't just ask a person ukuthi why ufake leyo intambo leyo. Siyahluka masingabantu, kodwa okubalekile to the person who's asked about beads, pray before uwafaka lawo ma beads, or uphahle ubuze, because sometimes you will wear them, if they are not meant for you uzobona nje aqhoshuka anqampoka, uzibuza na ukuthi kanjani. Kodwa nje cela ukucaciselwa when you pray, uthi ngiyacela Nkosi ngikhanyisele ngambulele, ngibonise indlela ekuyona yona ekumele ukuthi ngiphile. I love you so much guys. Akubo ubumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.